So today I went to the court and I typed some papers more and turned into the court more against the um, domestic violence restraining order. And I refaxed to the governor the copy of their declaration to get more support of their court case. Uh, Gavin Newsom, I refaxed to his office. Uh, Basically, there's 20 pages, just like a letter to Sheriff Police, California Governor Gavin Newsom, Judge's Attorney, a poem, Get Out of My Family for Peace of Mind, and suggestion form for Superior Court of California, Orange County, and complaint form to Superior Court of California, Orange County, and flowers, proof that the flower is in her garden that she robbed, that she took the amaryllis flowers from my garden. And I signed a paper and I wrote a poem. And when I wrote a complaint, I made a copy to send to the so the file number is 23V002191. Yeah. And when I went to the court, I took the picture of the I got a picture of the amaryllis flower from Amazon I ordered. And the court clerk in the office, she took out two of my papers away when I I rewrote the file number and I labeled each page like 1 to 20, and she took it out. I did not know, and then I went to the sheriff. I delivered, and then I went to home, and then I discovered that she removed two of my papers without my permission when I turned into the court, and she's on window 4, Lama Rock Justice Center. And then I filed a we value your opinion. The second time I came back, I wrote the we value your opinion, and I wrote I complained about the judge in Lama Rock Justice Center, and I complained about the clerk office in Lama Rock Justice Center, and then I have to deliver to the court and deliver to the sheriff. So the sheriff will serve the proof of service to the defendant. And that same girl removed my we value your opinion to my value that I complained about a judge and the clerk office, and she removed it without my permission. I did not know. I went to the sheriff and I delivered, and I paid the money to make a copy, and then I went to FedEx to make a copy, and I discovered she removed two of my papers. We value your opinion, and then I asked for her name, and she said I have the right to not give you the name, so I can complain on the we value your opinion, because they asked what's the person's name. And she said no, and then I asked the other window. She said, oh, that's window 4, because she don't give up the name. She removed we value your opinion. That's my opinion and what I wrote about the court in Lama Rocks, and she removed it. And then I went to FedEx and I make a copy, and then I discovered the we value opinion that she stole it from me to turn into the court. So the sheriff did not have it and the court didn't have it, and tomorrow I have to come back and send this to the to the court again, because I rewrite again. We value your opinion. I complain about a Judge Paris, and the court office clerk, that she removed my paper that is called a declaration, and I wrote the file number and I labeled from number 1 to number 18. And when I went back to the FedEx, I make a copy, and I discovered the 2 papers were missing because she removed it. And when I asked for her name, and then another lady from the office closed the window, don't let me talk to her. And then so I have to come back, and I have to go to FedEx, and I rewrite the we value your opinion, another paper, to turn in the court, because she removed it without my permission. The court clerk in Lama Rock, this is 341 the City Drive in Orange, California. So I have to spend another half an hour to rewrite another to revalue your opinion. And then I attached the Let There Be Happiness to Every Nation, attached the paper tonight. And tomorrow I have to turn in again and including everything again and update it again because, and then after I turn into the court, and then I would drive to the sheriff department and then make the sheriff serve the paper, and then he has to email me back the proof of service so I can turn into the court on time. Otherwise, it's going to be late. So the court would not accept it. So I need the sheriff to help me, and then I will fax to the sheriff too. Thank you.